Hi, I'm Mickey McKeever and I'm the owner and director of Electrical Design Solutions Limited, and we're really pleased to be the joint sponsors of the electrical installation category at the 2026 Pan Island Skills Test. We're a local electrical contracting company. We work across the domestic, commercial and industrial projects. We cover everything from general electrical to maintenance, testing, right through to EV chargers, solar PV and renewable solutions. For us, it's really just about doing the thing properly, taking pride in our work and making sure we finish to a high standard and done right. We wanted to sponsor them because it's about skills and standards in the industry, and events like this give the competitors a chance to show themselves under pressure and show what they can really do. And I think it's really good for the future of the trades that you've got like top skilled apprentices competing against other apprentices who can see the best at the end. Most years we have had an apprentice over probably the last 4 to 5 years. We've had at least one, if not two apprentices going through the scheme. All have come out, all are qualified, some are still with us, some have moved on, some have moved off island. And we currently have one new first year apprentice and with 3 inquiries sitting in the books at the minute waiting to look for that next slot. Both had good experience and were competing really well, and then the pressure and the time got to them at the very end, and yeah, they enjoyed it. I suppose like the challenge, but the time beat them, not their skill or their standards. So it's like anything, you don't like everyone watching you and judging you, you're probably quite competent in what you're doing, so just enjoy it and have a go, and whoever wins wins. At the minute it's everybody wants smart home. Alexa, turn on my lights, Alexa, put on my blinds, and it's becoming more and more achievable because the cost of it's coming down. Most people are now tech savvy and not afraid of it anymore, and yeah, I think that would be the biggest change in the last few years outside of the renewables. But yeah,